Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here. This is a, obviously it's a Christmas holiday full glam, full cut crease. Really love how this turned out. I think it looks real cute. Like, real cute. Like, I really love it. Like, I like it. I really like how this turned out. Yeah, so we're just going to be doing this, and I just, like, it's just so cute. At first, I did not like it. You guys are going to see why I started not to like it. I think it looks so cute, and it's literally has been at least 5 hours by recording this. Like, seriously, no joke. It's probably been 5 hours, maybe even longer. It's 6, almost 7 o'clock at night. So that's nice. So I have to hurry up because me and my family is actually watching a movie, and I need to hurry up because we're about to watch it and they waiting for me. So yeah, and do you like this background? Let me know down below if you guys like this background. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys but to keep watching. I really love how this looks. Like, yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this full holiday glam, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to grab the Jaclyn Hill palette first from Morphe. I'm just going to go right into it. I'm not going to go in with a transition. I'm just going to go right into a color. And that's going to be this one right here. Of course, you could totally go into with a transition color, but I'm personally not. I just want to go right into it. I don't want no warmness in this eye, well, no browns in this eye makeup. I just want like reds, greens, just Christmas colors. With this Morphe M441 brush, it's just a big fluffy brush. I'm just going to take that red. It's more of like an orange kind of red, but I'm going to still take that, and I am just going to put that in my crease. I'm actually going to take this Profusion dual-ended brush. I'm going to take this side right here, grab the same color. I just want something more smaller, just so I don't go overboard with the blending. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit closer. There we go. And I'm just going to grab the Morphe M441 brush and just blend the edges out. I did kind of like do this to take the rest of the red off because we did grab that red on this brush, and then I decided to take something smaller. So I'm just taking this to blend everything out and kind of drag it out a little bit. Now I'm going to grab this Profusion basic palette. It has 9 shades in it, and it's just like a little palette. And I'm going to grab this white shade, which there's no name for them, which I thought there were, but there's not. I'm going to grab this shade right here. It's just a plain matte white. And I am going to get a brush, this Wet n Wild little flat brush, and put that white on the brow bone, because as you guys can see, I kind of went a little bit overboard. So I'm just gonna put that on the brow bone. Alrighty guys, so I don't have like a true red other than this one, this color right here from the Manny and Makeup Geek palette. It's not really a true red, but it's like, it's a red, you know. But this one right here is called Mars, and we might use this today, but I don't know yet. I'm still trying to figure that out. But since I don't have like a true red, I remember that I had like a blush palette, and yeah, so, and I know that there was a red in here, so we're gonna use it. It's this red right here. On the monitor it doesn't look like a true red, but it truly is a red IRL. So I'm going to take that and just deepen it up. This is the Beauty Treats Matte Blush Palette, and it was $5.99, so I got it, and it's originally $12. So I had to get it. I mean, yeah, I remember really loving this, and I might use like a blush today, maybe, like a pink blush, I don't know. But I'm just going to grab that red shade And I'm gonna grab the same brush that we took. Just grab that red and pack that right in the crease. Just really, really pack that in. Then I'm going to go back to the Morphe M441 brush and just make sure everything's blended and also drag it out a bit. Alright guys, so it looks like a mess. Like it looks really bad. Like hot Cheetos who? Like, you know what I mean? So we are going to be fixing it. We are not done. But I'm just letting you guys know that it's in the process of doing these kind of looks, like with like bright colors or something like that. It is gonna look real bad, like really bad. Like you're gonna want to take off the makeup and just like not do anything, but you know it's gonna look good at the end, so it doesn't really matter. So now something a little bit darker. I think we're gonna take Mars. Let's take Mars, like I said that I was gonna be taking. We're gonna be taking this color right here. We're just gonna grab just a smidge on like a small definer brush. This is a Ulta Beauty eyeshadow brush. It's just a small flat brush, and I'm gonna grab Mars like on the tip of the brush. Actually, let's grab something a little bit thicker. I'm gonna grab the Sonia Kajuk little smudger brush. And if you get it a little bit on your lid, then that's fine. Like you can see my lid is a hot mess. I am gonna be cutting the crease. Like a full cut crease because I haven't done that in a hot minute, and all that I'm seeing for like Christmas makeup looks is that, so I kind of want to join in on the party, so I'm just gonna do a full cut crease because why not. And then I'm just gonna grab this Wet n Wild brush and just blend it. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the crease. So, oh boy, my hair. What I'm gonna be doing is taking this. You could take whatever you prefer. It really doesn't matter. Like any concealer, any foundation. I'm gonna use the foundation personally because I'm kind of running out on concealer and I kind of need it today. So. Yeah, but I'm going to take this Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage 24-hour foundation in 110 Porcelain. But I prime my eyes with this. That's what I primed my eyes with today. I like cutting the crease with this. Alright guys, so I cut the crease. It looks pretty good, I think. I really like how it's turning out so far. Just wait until we add the wing and the shadow that we're going to put on the bottom lash line, which I'm really excited to mess with, but I'm not going to tell you guys what we're going to be doing now down there yet because, like, it's going to be fun. Alrighty, so the liner that I'm going to be using today is this Wet n Wild H2O Proof eyeliner in black. So I'm just going to do a wing, and I hate doing wings on cut creases like this because then they end up pretty ugly in my opinion when I do them. So let's see how this turns out. Alright guys, so I am back. I just did my full face and I also did my lashes, and the lashes that I'm wearing today will be down below for you guys because as always I don't remember what kind of lashes I'm wearing, but they're a new pair and I really like them and they're just so cute. I love them so much, but I don't remember the brand. I think it's the Kiss brand, but I don't remember. Flirty maybe? I don't remember, but it'll be down below for you guys. I do have like a sparkle liner, so that I used the Ulta Beauty Glitter Tears eyeliner in Comet, and I just did it all the way back here and all the way to the inner corner. I really like how that looks. Also, Now let's move to the bottom lash line. I'm very excited. I think I'm going to do whites for my waterline, but I'm not going to put that on this second. I'm going to wait. So, because I don't want green eyeshadow going into the white eyeliner. And yes, we are messing with green eyeshadow, and I'm so excited because I haven't messed with green eyeshadow in so freaking long. I feel like, so we're gonna be messing with it today, and I'm so happy. So we are gonna go straight in with this color right here. Oh, the palette. This is the Revolution Reloaded palette, and I'm just gonna grab this color right here, and I'm just gonna go straight in with that. The brush that I'm gonna be using is this one right here. This is the e.l.f. Professional Defining Eye Brush, and I'm gonna grab that. It's just the angled fluffy brush. I'm gonna grab that color and just smoke it on the bottom lash line. Alrighty, so my camera ran out of space, so I had to you know, take some stuff off, but while it was doing that, like loading the files that were on the SD card to the computer, I put on this shade right here. We put this one down, and then I just grabbed just a tiny little bit with the same brush of this color, because I just felt like this was kind of like a army kind of green. I mean, it looks like it in the pan, and I just needed something to brighten it up, so I just took this, and I think it looks good so far. What you think? So now I want to do the inner corner highlight. Now I don't know what I want to do with that. Like, I don't know if I want to do a gold or maybe like a red shimmer shadow or maybe a green shimmer shadow. I have no idea what I want to do. I'm thinking a gold just to make this look pop. I don't have a gold highlighter on. It's more pinky, but I mean, it's okay, I guess. So I think we're going to do like a gold shimmer. So let me find that. I'm going to grab this Jaclyn Hill and Becca little face palette right here. This is Champagne Pop, so I'm going to take Champagne Pop and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner of the eyes, just to give this look a little bit of like shimmer and a little pop. Oh my god, that's so gorgeous. And now I'm going to take the waterproof liner that I used for the wing, and I'm just going to like do like a cat eye effect. So I'm going to do that real quick. Alrighty guys, so I went in on that inner corner. Like I kind of went too far, but you know, it's okay. I still think that it looks pretty, and I mean, that's all that matters, right? But I'm gonna apply this Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored. I really want the other ones. Like, this is so freaking good. Like, I hardly get butthole lips, and this is just, it's just amazing. You know, it's just amazing. So I'm just gonna apply this, and yeah. I was gonna do a white waterline, but I don't think it needs it. I think it's really cute by itself. Like, yeah, I don't think it needs it. You could totally add something on the waterline, but I just personally just don't want to. And it's like freaking almost 7 o'clock, so at night. So that's the thing. I've been recording all day. But yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Next video will definitely probably be a Christmas makeup look. Most definitely will be that. Comment down below if you guys want like a dramatic one, another one, or like a more simple one. Like, let me know. I did do one Christmas makeup look that's like simple. It's in the simple like bubble, you know, but I'll link that down below for you guys if you guys want to go watch that, if this is not your kind of style. It is my kind of style, so like, yeah, I really love this. Also, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like the video and comment on the video you got notified by. And yeah, I don't really think there's much to say, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Say